Hi, let's start with the new session. Okay, so today we are going to show you 200 to 900 base. So 200 to 900 base, actually if you have seen in the previous lesson, we have done 100 base. So this 200 to 900 base is based on this 100 base. Okay, so why it is so, I'm just showing you. See, suppose you are doing 200 base. Okay, so 200 is the result of 100. If you see 100 into 2, right? Okay, in the same way, if you do 300, then 300 is also 100 into 3. Okay, so on for like if no 400 is 400 into 4. Okay, 500 is equals to 100 into 5. Okay, so on so forth. Like if you do 900, it is going to become 100 into 9. Okay, so basically we are doing we are using 100 base, but in the last we are going to multiply 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, once we will do 200, 300, 400, 500, so on and so forth. Okay, so I'm just showing you one sum. Suppose you're doing 212 and you're doing 206. Okay, you're multiplying this, so you'll write in front of this 12, 212, you write 12. In front of 206, you write plus 06. Then you'll do the cross as we did earlier also. So cross will make 218, and this 12 into 6, which is 72. Okay, so as I said, like you know, have to multiply with 2 here. So this only the left portion will be multiplied by 2. So 218 and 2, which is 436, and there is a 72 in the right hand side. Okay, so obviously after this line there should be 2 digit, and it is already there, right? So our final answer is 43672. This is our final answer, right? Okay, so the same concept I'm going to repeat for 300 base, but for 300 base we are going to see some plus minus. Okay, let's see, I'm showing you here in the left hand side. So suppose we are doing 315 and 285. You see all the numbers are nearby 300, so I'll write here plus 15, I'll write here minus 15. I'll do cross. If you do cross, then it will give you 300. If you do multiply of 15 into 15, you'll get 225 and minus sign. So as I said you that minus sign is something which will be taken care by this 300. So this 300 first you multiply with 3, that is 900, and then minus 225, right? And then this 900 will break because we have minus 225. This 900 will be split in 887, 897 actually, 897 and 3, because this 3 will be multiplied with 100, because we are using in background 100 base. As I told you that 100 is a main base, right? You see 100 is a main base every time. 100 into 3 is 300, so that's why we are multiplying with here 100, this portion, and this 100, this we are getting 3 into 100, 300. This 300 will be subtracted to 225, which will give you 75. So right side we are getting plus now 75, and the left side we have 897. So the final answer is 89775. Clear, right? Okay. So you have seen one plus minus sum here in the 300 base. You have seen one plus plus sum plus here. Okay, plus I mean to say more than, and plus minus means one more than and one less than. Now I'm going to show you one minus minus sum for 400 and 500. Let's see. So I'm just rubbing it off. Okay. So in the 400, I'm just taking the number. Let's take one big number. Okay. Let's take 425 and 380. Okay. Let's take that 425 and 380. Okay, suppose you are going to multiply this. So obviously all numbers are nearby 400. So I'll write here plus 25. I'll write here minus 20. Then I'll do the cross. If you do the cross, you can see that it's a 405. And if you do multiplication of 25 and 20, so it's a 500. But we have negative sign also, plus and minus, so minus. Then it will be multiplied with 4. As you see here, it is multiplied with 100 into 4 is 400. So 405 into 4, 1620, right? And minus 500, it is there in the right hand side. Now as there is a minus 500, so obviously this will split in 1615 and 5. 1615 plus 5 is 1620. This 5 will be multiplied with 100. It's a 500, and then that 500 will be subtracted to 500, which is 00, right? So the 00 in the right hand side and the left side is 16 and 15, right? So the answer is 161500. Correct, right? Okay, this was very nice to have kind of speed. You can see that the flow we have to maintain. Okay, and let's see the 500, 600 and other bases. I'm going to show you one sum. Okay, so basically once you understand that what is happening, right, then it will be very easy to do the job, okay, nicely, and that too in a very speedy manner. Okay, so let's see. So I'm using now 500 base. I'm doing 500 and 600 base back to back. Okay, let's say suppose we are doing 512 and 518. Okay, so here we'll do plus 12, we'll do plus 18. So we'll do cross add 12 plus 18, 30, right? So 530, and then 12 times 18. If you see how to do 12 times 18, this I have shown you when I was doing 10 base, right? So I'm just using again plus 2 plus 8. So basically I'm using 10 base here. So multiply this. So cross, it's a 20. Then this is 16. This one will go to this side. It's 216. You see. So I write here 216 here. Okay. Then obviously this will be multiplied with 5. So it will give you 0, 15, 1 carry, and 25 and 1, 26, and 216. Okay. So next will you see that we have 3 digit, right? So this 2 will move to this side. So 2, 6, 5, 2 and 16. This 16 will be here. Okay. So the final answer is 265216. Okay. Means 2,65,216. If you multiply 512 and 580. Okay, correct. Now let's move to the 600 and 700 base. Okay. So obviously 600 and 700, if you are doing, then the number will be nearby 600, right? Okay. So let's check now. We can go for anything, like we can go for plus minus, we can go for plus and plus. Okay. Okay. I'm just writing in the right hand. Let's see. So I'm writing here 615 and 615. So if you see that 615 into 615 it's a square of 615 actually. So basically if you see that we are doing the square of 615, and that too in a very easy way, you see. So 15, let here 15, then cross add 630, then 15 times 15 is 225. Okay, then this will be multiplied with 6, 0, 18, 1 carry, and then 6 times 6, 37, and 1, 30, 36 plus 1, 37, and then 225, right? Then you see that we have 3 digit, right? So there should not be 3 digit because it's a 100 base only. Okay, so this 2 will move to this side. So the 3780 will become 3782, and this 25 which is here will be tag here. Okay, so the final answer is 378225, right? Correct. Okay, So you can see that we have done the squaring of 615, which is 3,78,225. Okay. Now we'll do 700 base. Let's see. So 712, taking 712, 720. So I'll do plus 2, plus 12, plus 20, cross. So this is 732. Then this is 240. Then this will be multiplied with 7. See how to multiply with 7. So you can do normal multiplication here. So 14 here, 1, and then 2, and then 2 carry, then 51. 49 plus 2, 51. Then 240 is here. Then obviously this 2 will move to this side, right? So 5, 1, 2, 6, and 40. This 40. So the answer is 512640, right? So this is 700 base. Now let's move to the 800 and 900. Okay. So I'll show you, if I'll do the 900 base, okay. I'll show you 100 base also. Means that particular sum can be done by 100 base also. But at that point of time, maybe multiplication will be little different. Okay. So I'll multiply that also. Okay. Let's see. So I'm doing the 800 base now. So 800, suppose 27, and 825, right? Then I'm writing here plus 27 plus 25. Okay, then we're doing cross. So this will become 852. And if you multiply 27 times 25, right? So let's see how to multiply 27 times 25. So right here plus 7 plus 5, we'll use 20 base. Cross 32, and this will be 35. Then multiply by 2 because of 20 base. Then 64, and then 3, 5. This 3 will move to this side. So 667, and this 5. 675, right? You see? So this kind of smart multiplication you can do. Okay. Then we'll multiply this with 8. So this is 16, 1 carry. Then 40 and 1, 41, 4 carry. Then 64 and 4, 68. And this 6 and 7, 5. This 6 will move to this side, right? So this will become 2. This will become 2. This will become 8, and this will become 6. And this 7, 5 is just here, right? Tag. So 6,82,275, right? Correct. So you can see that we are doing 800 base, right? Correct. Okay. Now let's go for the 900 base. Okay. Hi. Let's start with the 900 base sum. Okay. Suppose you are doing 915 and 800 and suppose 75. Okay. So you see both numbers are nearby 100, right? So we'll write here plus 15, and we'll write here minus 25. So and when we'll do cross, so 875 plus 15, 890. Okay. And this 25 times 15, you see, if you want to multiply this, so this is 5. I'm doing this by 10 base. So this is plus 15. Then we'll do cross. So it's a 30. Then 15 times 5 is 75. Then this 7 will go to this side, so 375. So right here 375. Okay. Then one thing is left here. We have to multiply with 9. So if we'll do 9 multiplications, so 0. Then 81, 8 carry, and this is 80. 72 plus 8, 80, and this 375 is there. This 3 will move to this side. So 8013, and this 75 is there, right? So the answer is 801375. So as you have seen in this lesson, we have done 200 to 900 base, and we have used the concept of 100 main base. Okay, we have multiplied with 2 and 3 and 4, so and so forth till 900. Okay. So base method, we have almost finished. Okay, but we have not seen one concept, which is three numbers multiplication. I mean to say, I'm just showing you what we are going to discuss in the next class. Uh, Suppose you have to multiply 125, 115, and 95. You see, these three numbers are there, right? So these three numbers multiplication can be done by base method. Okay, and this is called simultaneous multiplication. Okay, so I'm going to show you this of different bases in the next class. Okay, so there's a small change in the process here. Okay, I'll tell you in the next class. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next class. Bye bye, take care, good day.